Stack Overflow, the Q&A site for coders and programmers, has temporarily banned users from sharing answers generated by AI chatbot ChatGPT. The site's moderators said the ban is temporary and that a final ruling will be made in the near future, in consultation with the community. As the moderators point out, ChatGPT easily returns answers to questions, but they often appear correct at first glance but are often incorrect upon closer inspection. ChatGPT is an experimental chatbot created by OpenAI, based on the company's AI text generator GPT 3.5. Last week, a demo of this bot was released, and it was greeted with enthusiasm on the web because of its ease of use as it simply answers questions by typing on the site. From generating poems, songs, and news articles, to answering trivia questions, to writing and debugging code, the bot delivers impressive, fluid results for a variety of queries. It also has a very intuitive interface. The main problem is that while the answers ChatGPT generates have a high rate of being inaccurate, they generally look good and the answers are very easy to generate. After this temporary policy is posted, if a user appears to have used ChatGPT, sanctions will be imposed to prevent them from continuing to post such content, even if the posting is permissible. It will be charged. But while many users are enthusiastic about ChatGPT's capabilities, many also point to its tendency to generate plausible but false answers. For example, asking someone to explain how to program software for a particular function may produce plausible but ultimately incorrect code. Given the sheer scale of these systems, it is impossible to say with certainty what percentage of their output are flawed. And in the case of Stack Overflow, even a small percentage, they decided the risk of misleading users was too high. The worry is that this pattern will repeat itself on other platforms, with a flood of AI-generated content drowning out real users with plausible but false data. And the stability of such a platform will depend on the nature of the platform itself and its moderation capabilities.